Hello, class 11. This session is for you. Class 11, already we have started coordinate geometry, that the circle part, and circle MCQ done, and 2 marks questions also done in offline mode. And 4 marks also we have started but not yet completed. I could not complete 4 marks questions in school. So today, I think if I make some videos on 4 marks questions, then next online class or next, obviously now the online class only we can take. Now online class, then I will start parabola chapter. This I don't want to continue the same chapter in online mode. Okay, so let us continue circle exercise 3, section 3. Already we have done, I think we have done already up to some number 10 or 11 4 marks questions. Okay, so now I will start from some number 12. Let's start exercise class 11. This is exercise 3, circle, section 3, sum number 12. What is the question? Find the equation of the circle through the points 4, 3 and -2, 5, and having its center on the line 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Okay. Now, what is the standard equation of circle? Standard equation of circle is that we know x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Okay, now it passes through the point 4, 3 and -2, 5 respectively. Okay, when it passes through my 4, 3, then let us put for x equal to 4 and y equals to 3 in this equation. Therefore, what we will get, 4 square plus 3 square plus 2 into g into 4 plus 2 into f into 3 plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so what we will get? Is equal to 0. Plus 25 is equal to 0. So make it equation number 1. And when it passes through -2, 5, that equation we will write as equation number 2. Passes through -2, 5. Okay, make it equation number 2. Now, subtracting 2 from 1. Okay, so it is coming 3g 3g minus f minus 1, make it equation number 3. Okay, now since center lies on the line 2x minus 3y equals to 4, since center lies on line 2x minus 3. Center we know minus g minus f, therefore minus 2g plus 3f is equal to 4. Now make it equation number 4. Now we will solve 3 and 4. Now we will solve some equation 3 and equation 4. Is it clear? Okay. Now let me rub the first part. Now equation 3 and equation 4. Let us solve now from 3 and 4 we get. Yes, we will solve 3 and 4. From 3 and 4, what we will get? Minus 2g plus 3 is equal to 4. It's better right here 1. Right here is equal to 4. So let us multiply the first one by 3. Okay. Therefore it is coming 9g minus 3f is equal to 3 minus 2g plus 3f is equal to 4. Now add these two. 9g minus 2g, it is coming 7g, and 4 plus 3 is 7 again, so it is coming g equals to 1. When g is equal to 1, therefore minus f equals to 1 minus 3g, or f equals to 3g minus 1, 3 into g minus 1, 3 minus 1. So this is coming, f is equal to 2 and this is g equals to 1. G equals to 1 and f is equals to 2. Okay. Now already I have rubbed the board. Now from equation 1 we have to find the value of c also. From 1 we get 1, what is there? 8g, check, plus 6f plus c plus 25 equal to 0. This was equation 1. Now put the value of g and f in this equation. Therefore 8 into 1 plus 6 into 2 plus c plus 25 equals to 0. So 8 plus 12 plus c plus 25 equal to 0. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 25, c equals to then minus 45. C equals to minus 45. Then we have to write the equation of the circle. Therefore, required equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2 into g means 1. 2x plus 2 into f is 2 into y plus c means minus 45 is equal to 0. You get this is the required equation. I think now it is clear. Sum number 13. Very big sums. Coordinate geometry actually it's a very vast syllabus in class 11. Coordinate geometry and sums are also very big. Broad type of sums. Next sum I should start with new video.